In today's video, I'm going to teach you have your own icon appear on your browser tab Shopify tip. We're setting up your Favicon, the small icon that shows on the browser tab, so your brand stands out and looks professional. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the dashboard, head to the main home screen so you're on familiar ground. In the left-hand menu, open Online Store. This takes you to your Themes area, where your live storefront is managed. On the Themes page, open your current theme by choosing Customize or Edit Theme. This launches the theme editor. Here, you'll see a live preview of your store and a panel of controls. Look for theme settings, then open the section labeled Logo and Favicon. This is the central place to manage your brand's visuals in the header and on the browser tab. Inside this section, you'll notice options for the default logo and the inverse logo. Those control how your brand mark appears on light or dark backgrounds. If you've been meaning to update those, this is a good time to make sure your logos are crisp and readable. For today's goal, we'll focus on the Favicon area just below. Find the Favicon setting and click Change. You can select from Library to reuse an image you've already uploaded, or add a new file if needed. Pick a clear, square image that represents your brand. For best results, use a PNG that's 32 by 32 or 64 by 64 pixels with a transparent background. Avoid small text or intricate details. Favicons are tiny, so simple shapes and strong contrast work best. Once you've chosen the image, click Done to confirm your selection. Now, save your changes. The Save button is at the top right of the theme editor. Saving applies the new Favicon to your live storefront. To verify, close the editor or return to your themes page, then click View Your Store. Open your store in a new browser tab and look at the tab icon. You should see your new Favicon right away. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page, try a hard refresh, or open your site in a private window. Browsers cache Favicons, so it can take a moment to update. That's it. Your brand now shows up on the browser tab across your site, adding a polished, trustworthy look. Remember, you can return to the logo and Favicon settings anytime to swap in seasonal icons or refresh your branding. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your